This is the kid review. Eliza, what do you like best so far? Like the big slide over there where Anna and Elsa are?
Yeah!
What's your favorite? You like
The
the
even so far is probably like the
zip line?
Yeah.
Alright, Max, what is your favorite? What is toboggan racers? Do it again!
Whoa.
Bucky's.
All
Wait,
right,
no,
Max,
it's
where
not
are we?
Bucky's I don't know.
Where are we?
I forgot what the name is. Whatever.
Blizzard Beach.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we, Max?
I don't know.
We're at Blizzard Beach. Remember, in 2025, you get a free water park day with your hotel stay. So we are doing this for free. We're really excited. Blizzard Beach is a really cool water park, and it's kind of like a ski lodge. There's the legend that it snowed in Orlando a long time ago, but everything started to melt. And so that's why there's a ski lift here, and it's like a little ski lodge. So we're excited. We've never been here before. And
Well, we have been in Typhoon Lagoon.
we did do Typhoon Lagoon, so we're excited to try out Blizzard Beach now. So here we go.
Oh yeah, look at Charlotte. Charlotte's ready. See a water park. We're here.
Once you check in at Blizzard Beach, and after getting your towels at Beach House, you'll veer to the right, and on the right you'll see a couple of large bathrooms where you can change. There's even some lockers you can use, and like us, we just changed when we got there.
I would love to.
are having so much fun at Blizzard Beach so far. The little Tykes Peak is adorable and really cute, frozen theme. Eliza really likes that one. So, and she went on some slides too, which I was kind of surprised because she's our more cautious kid. But, and even Finn was having a blast. So this is just perfect for that toddler age. And Brandon and I kind of split up. He took the big kids to do some stuff and I stayed with the littles. And we're gonna kind of switch again. And that's just how we can do these water parks and, you know, help everybody kind of have fun and do what they want to do. But it's a very relaxed vibe here, I would say. And there's a good bit of people here. I think people are catching on to the 2025 Free Water Park Day, so I'm sure that crowds will pick up, especially in the summer for this. So, but it's such a great way to spend your first day at Disney. This is the kid review. Eliza, what do you like best so far?
I like the Mickey one with the cherry on it.
With the cherry on it?
Yeah.
No, what slide do you like best? Do you like the big slide over there where Anna and Elsa are?
Yeah.
All right, Charlotte, what's your favorite?
We haven't ridden all of them.
You haven't done your favorite yet. Did you like
But my
the
favorite so far is probably like the zip line.
zip line?
That you zip line over and then you hit this
Yeah.
thing and it makes you go like forward.
That looked really fun.
Makes you fall
You guys
back.
were like shooting out of there.
Yeah.
All right, Max, what is your favorite? What is your favorite thing we've done so far?
The thing where you like hold on to this like
Toboggan racers?
and you like slide down it and see whoever finished it.
Yeah.
I see this whole
Max,
stop.
wait. Okay.
Give me my.
The Sandpail Sundae.
Why do you have to order chocolate and caramel?
It's chocolate and vanilla, both. Just eat the vanilla
No.
part.
It's mostly that.
Well, there's a lot under all that whipped cream. Popcorn.
But I smelled it on the way in. I'm a banana.
We'll get popcorn at the park tomorrow. Go buy it. Go get 3 pretzels. Come on, girl. They ate all the whipped cream. Like, in a second.
Because it's the best ice cream going. Sorry.
It's soft serve.
Sorry.
It's really good.
What's up?
She is getting.
Something's really, really good.
Put Finn right here. Put Finn right here so you can get it.
That was yummy.
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to have? One pretzel.
Really?
And then she said we don't have to pay.
What?
She said we don't have to pay.
You didn't have to pay?
Yeah, she said that's strong.
Split, bud.
Like, they only had one left.
Yeah.
And she gave it to you for free?
There's more.
Oh, we gotta send you more often.
Yeah.
Oh, this cute little girl.
Okay.
We got pixie dusted, guys.
The chairlift is a great way to get up to the main mountain, but there is a height restriction for it. If you don't meet the height restriction, you have to take the stairs, and there are a lot of stairs to navigate. Mount Gushmore is atop the green slopes. It's the family raft ride, which is a lot of fun. You can have up to 5 people per raft, and there's no height restriction. The only issue is that everyone must be able to hold on to the side of the raft. However, Finn couldn't hold on to the side, so he and I couldn't ride this time.
I'm not doing that one. Got a little let it snow on pan.
Are you okay with him going alone?
Where?
There's fewer than 4. It has to be fewer than 4.
Where?
4 or fewer than
This
4
one?
This high, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it was 6. Oh my.
Hold on to 2. Oh!
Take a little bit, you're so close to there.
There we go.
Oh, no.
Eliza, did you have fun?
It's complete.
No. You were so brave.
Mom, look. Mom,
You were
look.
so brave.
Mom, look. Mom, look. Look right there. What?
Oh, a snowmobile.
I held it. It's a snowmobile.
Cute.
Oh, I held it.
I got it! Max, this is cool! No, 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 no! No! Do not go backwards. No!
Oh, no!
Yeah.
No! Oh, no!
Oh, that was a good one! Finn would not have lasted. Finn would not have been able to get to it. It's going on YouTube! Ah! can't get out of here until it's like a little lazy river at the end. That's cool.
So Misadventure Falls are just...
Yeah. So what, compared to Misadventure Falls, what's it like?
It was way better.
Yeah? Misadventure Falls is... All right, we are leaving Blizzard Beach. We're heading to check into our resort. We had a blast over here, so we took advantage of the free resort on your check-in day. Saved us a good bit of money for it, but mainly we just had some fun, extra fun for the day, and even in January, it really wasn't too bad, was it?
Yeah, no, it was like 75, I think, today, and all the pools and stuff are heated, I think, to like 80 degrees. So it was a little cool when you were like out and wet, and if you weren't in the sun. But it felt good, and we kind of had to drag everybody out of there, and we were thinking we were going to leave at like 3. We were going to try to leave at 3, but we stayed till close.
Yeah, we did.
But it was a lot of fun. The kids had fun, and it was definitely a fun day, I think.
And Blizzard Beach is pretty awesome.
Yeah, I liked Blizzard Beach. What did you like the most?
I think we took turns going with the big kids out to the different slides. I think that was a lot of fun. So it was cool to go to the big slides with them. And how about you?
Yeah, hold on one second, buddy. The Tykes Peak was really cool, just watching all of them do that. And then I liked the little ski lift thing too.
Yeah, it's a very unique one, huh?
Yes, yeah, we got to take Eliza on that next time.
Yep. All right. Talk to you soon.
Yeah, we'll be at the resort soon, so we'll see you there.